In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email account from Outlook 365. We'll walk you through each step meticulously to ensure you can successfully manage your Outlook account as desired. Whether you're looking to temporarily sign out or permanently close your account, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign In button, which is your gateway into your account. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Sign In page where you'll need to enter your login details to access your account. As you type in your details, make sure everything is correct. Hit Next once you've completed this step. This is an important checkpoint. Entering your information correctly is essential. Now that you're in your Outlook dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, your profile icon sits comfortably as a portal to your account settings. With a simple click, the profile menu will open up. If you're considering a temporary solution and not ready to make a permanent decision, there's an easy step you can take here. Underneath your account name, you'll notice three little dots, your account's control center. Clicking on these will reveal the option to sign out and also to forget this account for now. This is handy if you need a temporary break from your emails or just a little breathing space. However, if your goal is to delete your account entirely, we'll need to take a few more steps. Still in the profile menu, locate and select My Profile. This click is your passage to the deeper settings of your Microsoft account. In the Microsoft account section under Your Info, you'll have a variety of personal settings at your disposal. Scroll down with care until you see Account Info. Here, you'll find the option that holds the weight of permanence, Close Account. Selecting this will guide you through the final stages of permanently deleting your account. Remember, this is an irreversible action, so make sure that you have considered all aspects and backed up any essential data before taking the step. And there you have it. Congratulations, you have successfully navigated the often overlooked process of managing your Outlook 365 account settings. Whether you've chosen to take a temporary hiatus or made the decision to close your account permanently, you now have the power to control your digital footprint effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next tutorial.